Hello everyone, this is G. Gautami from AAA section. This is my CA2 assignment of Universal Human Values. Topic name Humanitarian Aid in Syria. Introduction about topics. The topic is based on the values and the mental disorder which was facing by the people. It causes the people by various advantages and disadvantages for the society. How to overcome the diseases, what we are facing in the society, about the various nature and the problems. The disease is because of the certain area or affected by the people who were choosing themselves as their selfishness. So let us know more about this. Introduction to Humanitarian Aid in Syria. Humanitarian aid in Syria has become a critical response to the ongoing conflict that began in 2011. Millions of Syrians are in need of assistance due to violence, displacement, and economic collapse. This presentation will explore the current situation, challenges, and efforts studying humanitarian aid in Syria. Background of the Syrian conflict. The Syrian conflict began in March 2011 as part of the Arab Spring protests. It escalated into a multi-faceted civil war involving various factions including government forces and rebel groups. The conflict has resulted in significant loss of life and widespread destruction of infrastructure. Current humanitarian crisis. The United Nations estimates that over 14 million people require humanitarian assistance in Syria. The prolonged conflict has caused mass displacement with over 0.8 million people internally displaced. Access to basic necessities such as clean water and healthcare is severely restricted in many areas. Challenges in delivering aid. Ongoing conflict and violence pose significant risk to aid workers and hinder access to affected populations. Bureaucratic obstacles, including government restrictions and border closures, complicate aid delivery. The fragmentation of control among various groups in Syria leads to inconsistent access and support. International response and funding. International funding for humanitarian efforts has fluctuated, impacting the scale of aid delivery. Donor countries and organizations often face challenges in committing long-term support due to political factors. Coordinated international responses are crucial for addressing the needs of Syrian population effectively. Top 10 humanitarian donors in 2022. United States is the largest humanitarian donors in 2002, and Belgium is the least humanitarian donors in 2022. The role of local NGOs. Local NGOs plays a vital role in delivering aid, as they are often more familiar with the community's needs. These organizations can operate in areas that larger international bodies cannot access. Empowering local NGOs enhances the sustainability and effectiveness of humanitarian efforts. NGOs' roles seed out. NGOs' roles is the main prostitution's effectiveness of humanitarian and international bodies often more familiar with community needs. Recent developments in humanitarian aid. Recent case files have allowed for temporary increases in the delivery of humanitarian assistance. Innovative solutions such as case assistance programs have been implemented to support local economies. Ongoing assignments and evaluations are helping to adapt and strategies to meet changing needs. The future of humanitarian aid in Syria. The future of humanitarian aid depends on a peaceful resolution to conflict and improved access. Continued advocacy for the rights and needs of displaced population is essential moving forward. Long-term recovery strategies must be developed alongside immediate humanitarian responses. Conclusion. Humanitarian aid in Syria remains a critical lifeline for many facing dire conditions. Collaborations among international, local and government organizations is essential for effective aid delivery. Ongoing commitment from the global community is necessary to ensure well-being of Syrian people. Thank you. This is the CA2 assignment of Universal Human Values.